Rice harvest begins on the father-in-law's farm. It's only a very small plot this, so they won't get much rice out of it. Just enough for themselves for the coming year.
Biết cái ăn rồi. Gì?
Let me know when retirement starts.
Welcome to Thailand ปีแรกก็เจอตากข้าวเลยนะตะอ้วน
Yeah, rice bagging time.
นี่ปีครับไม่ได้ไม่เลยครับนี่ปีลบป่ะ
ยายเห็ดแต่งานเบาจับเกี่ยวก็จับเงี้ยเบา
Young fella here in green's a professional at this. He seems to be going hard at it. They employed him to do this to give him a hand, so yeah, money well spent, I reckon. Now the discussion starts about who gets what, how much of what. It's a shared lot, so the poor bloke in the green has been running around from whatever to whatever, organising it as per the lady's wishes.